Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to export invoices from QuickBooks Online. To begin, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. From there, click on Reports. This section contains a wide variety of financial and business reports that you can generate and export. After opening the Reports page, locate the search bar near the top of the screen. Click inside the search field and type Invoice List. As you type, QuickBooks will display matching reports. Select Invoice List from the results to open the report. Next, choose the date range you want to include in your export. Find the Report Period drop-down menu near the top of the report page. Click the drop-down and select the option that best fits your needs. You can choose a preset range such as this month or all dates, or you can create a custom date range by entering your own start and end dates. Once you have selected the correct reporting period, click the Run Report button. QuickBooks will generate the invoice list report using the dates you selected. When the report appears on your screen, move to the top right corner of the report window. Look for the export icon, which appears as an arrow pointing into a box. Click on this icon to view your export options. Finally, choose either Export to Excel or Export to CSV. QuickBooks will prepare the file and download it to your computer, allowing you to open and work with the data in your preferred spreadsheet program. Thanks for watching.